In the taxes section in QuickBooks, we can go and have a look at the VAT audit for a particular quarter. So if we go to the open return here, in the little drop down arrow, you'll see the download audit report. And that audit report will summarise the three reports here, the summary, detail and exception report. It can be quite useful to send this to the accountant if you're asking them to check the VAT, or just to keep a record on file. What I will say about the audit report is once we prepare the return here and we've sent it off to HMRC, this audit report will disappear. It's not available if we try and rerun it on one of these previous paid returns. So if we went down here to this return, you can see it's not available to me to select. So before you actually do a submission in QuickBooks and do the prepare return, it can be quite handy to download the audit report. Once you've downloaded the audit report, this is one I prepared earlier. If I open that up, you'll see that it's a nice report with a heading there for the preparation details, and also all the different reports that I mentioned, the summary, the detail, the exception are all in here. So quite handy to keep that particular report available to yourself by downloading it ahead of the actual submission of your VAT. So that's the download audit report. Whether you're sending it to your accountant or whether just keeping it yourself, it's quite handy to have it pre the preparation of your VAT return.